Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about formulas and tinctures. I get a lot of people asking me, can they jump right into taking formulas and tinctures? And my advice to you is not to do so until you're been on foods for a few weeks. The reason why I say this is because these tinctures and these herbs and plants are meant to help accelerate the healing process, okay? And if you're on a standard American diet of meat products, animal products, and milk, and you're taking these tinctures, you're diminishing the power of the herbs because your body is not clean enough. There's still obstructions, okay? You are being blocked by the foods you eat, the food combinations, and the amount of food you're eating. So when taking these herbs, whilst it will help you, it's not going to be effective. And they're, well, on the pricey side because they're the best you can ever take. So like this one here is called Parasite G. And it has several, herbs in there that are designed to get rid of big parasites, worms inside you, okay? Because these things, when you eat the meat products and the animal products and the starches, you have a festering pool where all the worms and the parasites can fester and eat. And they are eating all this food, and you are eating that you're eating, and you're thinking that you're always getting hungry. Well, it's these big boys are the ones eating the food for you and making you sicker. So this Parasite G here gets rid of them, okay? But again, it's going to be highly effective if you are somewhat clean, which means that you start with the fruits first for a few weeks. And then add this into it, and then you're going to see amazing things happen. It's going to push all the worms out of you, okay? So I just wanted to introduce it to you because whilst I do swear by these, I don't recommend them unless you have gone at least 2 to 4 weeks on fruits only. And then you're going to see the benefits of this. So this Parasite G is meant to remove the big parasites in your body, okay? More of this coming later.